Hello, my name is Jenny Smith. I'm a networking strategist, founder of Networking Know-Who, and welcome to this week's 2-minute bloody lovely networking tip of the week. So, the tip of the week this week is complementors. Finding your complementors. So complementors are people or businesses who have a product or service that they sell that complements yours. So it doesn't conflict with yours, it complements it. So this means that you guys have got the same target market. So when two individuals, two businesses have got the same target market and you come together and join forces, it means you can instantly both double your client base. You can cross-refer and create this amazing, beautiful partnership, this relationship, this friendship that I like to call complementors. So by doing that, it means that you're going to get ongoing referrals from these people. They're going to be wonderful. So all that time and energy and effort you put into meeting one new client, meet one new complementer, and it results in a bajillion new clients, which, my friend, yes it is, it's all about time and cost efficiency. So this is a really efficient way of growing your network in a strategic way that allows you to get access to potentially a lot of new customers rather than putting lots of energy into finding just one. So go out there, find some complementers and start being nice to them. So there you go. There you go. There you go. That is this week's 2-minute, I'm losing my mind, networking tip of the week.